Hi everyone, if you're new here, I'm Allen with Earthglow, and this channel is all about sharing the joy of candle making. So in today's video, I'm going to be unboxing this giant box from Makesy, and this is all wooden wicks. So I bought every single wick that they have a kit basically where you're supposed to be getting, from what the description says, pretty much every single wick that they sell. We'll see about that, but I'm going to be unboxing it in this video, and for those of you who don't know, I do use quite a few wood wicks in my candle line. I actually started out with just wood wicks and then introduced the cotton wicks about 3.5 years ago now it is. Time goes really fast when you're having fun. So we're gonna unbox this, and if you are new and this kind of stuff brings a smile to your face, then consider subscribing. I am always posting candle business related content, and these types of unboxings are really fun to film, and I'm super excited to see what's actually in here. But let's get right into the video, and I hope you enjoy. So I'm going to try to do the unboxing this way just because I think it's more fun when you can see my expression when I'm opening something. But, oh my god, this is a pretty big box for wicks. So I paid, let me see if I can, well, I didn't actually put the amount on here, but I will put the amount that I paid for this on the screen. But it comes in this box, packed really well. Just was in here with some paper, but it comes in this box. It's called an all-inclusive wick sample kit, and pretty cute packaging. I sort of wonder the best way to open this because the box is kind of, I think you have to, I'm gonna slaughter this box. Oh, I see. Duh. Okay, you're supposed to like take the front portion off with the sticker, I think. I can show here. There we go. Oh, wow. Okay, so I'm gonna show you all what this looks like. So this is what it looks like inside the box. And oh my gosh. Okay, so we've got a whole bunch of different things. Oh my gosh, they have the colors too. So I've been wanting to try these for a really long time. These are the X wicks, and Yankee Candle, their wood wick collection, they actually use these. Let me see if I can show you one. These are the colored ones, but what you actually end up doing is you just take both. Ooh, wow, these are really thin. You just take both pieces here, and then you can just put them like this, and basically, we're gonna focus camera. You'll form an X with it, and then this one's probably made for really light waxes, but what you'll do is just take the bottom portion, and then they come with special clips, and you will just clip this into one of the X clips, and that will just go into your candle. But that's really cool. So, and then they have the ones, so they have a bunch of different colors. It looks like you get the opal white as well. And I'm super excited to try these. So then they have the forest green, and then the natural. So this is the forest green, the 0.02. And then this is the natural X-Wick 0.01 series mini kit. So they must have, there we go. So they must have, I think there's only a couple different series for the X-Wicks. I don't think it goes all the way up to 0.04 like the regular wicks do. So this is the 0.02, yeah, so they have all the different sizes like normal. Inside this pack is one of their mini kits, so you get several of each size is what it looks like, and in terms of the width. And then we also have, ooh, so this is the Raven Black. And I think that would be kind of cool. I was actually looking at some of the black X-Wicks just because I thought that they would be really different. And then let me show you these. So these are the X-Wick clips, and these are different. Just so you can kind of see, I've never actually looked at these in person before, but I've seen online kind of how they work. And so, okay, so they look like this. This is not what I was expecting at all, but this is what they look like. And then what you would do is you would just take your wick once you have it in that X formation shape, if you can see that. And then you would just put it directly in there. And that is really actually easy. And so now it's in the clip, and then it would be ready to put into your candle container to make a candle with. But you can't interchange the X-wick clips with the regular wood wick clips. They cannot be interchanged. And then this also comes with, so we've got, I'm not gonna go through each one of these because we'd be here all day, but this one here is the cobalt blue in the 0.02, and then you get the daffodil yellow X-wick in the 0.02, and then you also get, so now we're on to the regular 0.02 series. So it looks like it comes with all the different colors. So you get the forest green, you get the yellow one, and then this is the cobalt blue, and then the crimson. Oops. As I'm spilling all the clips. And then you get the opal white as well in the 0.02 series. And then, yeah, so, oh my God, I'm so excited for these. So this is the spiral wick kit, and let me show you all the spiral wicks. So, oh, I've never had one of these. Oh my gosh, so this is how they come. They come in this little kind of tube. If you can see that, it's just like a tube there. And then I have no idea how to actually do this. But then this is the clip that they come with, and then I think you have to get it out of the tube somehow. Have any of you actually used these before? Because I'm gonna have to do some more reading, because I think you need to take the plastic off of the tube, but you probably have to cut that off, but I don't wanna like ruin it because I only have a few. So you get only 4 of those X-wicks, or sorry, spiral wicks is what they are. And then you have the, okay, wait. So that was called the spiral wick, as I said, but this is what I was actually thinking it was. So this is called the tube wick. And if we can get this to focus here, there we go. The tube wick is different. So this, let me see. I thought the tube wick was the spiral wick. But they look the same. I'm confused. So this is called, let's see if I can show you. This is what they're calling the tube wick, but I thought that looks the same to me as what I just showed. So anyways, moving on, we have the Whisper Booster Wick series, and I don't really use the Whisper Boosters just because I tend to like the crackling effect. But you get that in the 0.03, the 0.02, and then you get the crackling booster wicks in both of those as well. So this is the crackling booster wick in the 0.03. And then you get the crackling booster wick in the 0.04. The Whisper Booster Wick in the 0.04. So basically the crackling and the Whisper Booster Wicks in the 0.02 through 0.04 series is what it looks like. So the unique wicks that you, and then you get the single plies as well. You get the Whisper and Crackling single ply wicks in the 0.02 series as well in this kit. So that's really nice. I tend to not really use those since I deal with a lot of viscous natural waxes, but definitely if you deal with a lot of the less viscous paraffins is when you would be wanting to use those. But yeah, so that's really exciting. So you get 1, 2, I'm gonna count 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. You get 24 different wick kits in this set here. But it is really important to note that it does not include, and maybe this was a mistake, but the kit that I have does not include any wick clips for just the flat wicks. It did include the wick clips for the X wicks as well as for the spiral and tube wicks. So interesting, it included only a total of 4 of the clips for the tube and spiral wicks. So it has 8 different wicks, but you only get 4 clips. At least the set that I have only has 4. And then it looks like you get a ton of X wick clips. So that's kind of interesting. And then it did not have any of the clips for the flat wicks, which I already have plenty of those, but just putting that out there, if you are you know, getting this kit and you don't have any, you may or may not get any unless this was some sort of a mistake. And then it did also come with a ruler as well, which is really nice because this allows you to verify any of the widths of the wicks. So you could just measure it if you were unsure. They start out at 0.375 and then they go up to 0.5, 0.625, and then 0.75 are all the standard sizes of the flat wicks. So that's kind of cool. So yeah, I'm really excited about trying this out, and I will keep you all posted, especially on the X wicks and the tube wicks and the spiral wicks, which again, I'm still confused as to what the difference is. I'm gonna have to read more about that. But anyways, I hope that you enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and leave me a comment in the description box if you have used wood wicks before and which ones that you use for your wax, if you're comfortable sharing. And have you tried any of these more exotic wooden wicks like the spiral wicks and the tube wicks and the X wicks? Like I said, I have tried some of the X wicks just with the wood wick line from Yankee, and they are really fabulous wicks. But anyways, I'm sending all of you peace, love, and light, and I'm wishing all of you happy candle making.